If you've been searching for the HIDIZS AP30 Music Boy, you're probably wondering whether this tiny retro music player is actually worth buying, or if it's just another gadget that looks cool, but doesn't deliver. In this video, we'll go over its design, features, sound quality, and whether it's the right digital audio player for you. At first glance, the AP30 Music Boy immediately stands out. Instead of looking like every other modern music player with a plain touchscreen and metal body, this one takes inspiration from the classic Game Boy. It's incredibly small, lightweight, and packed with physical buttons, including a D-pad, A and B buttons, start and select buttons, and a clickable volume wheel. It doesn't just look nostalgic, it actually feels fun to use. It's the kind of device that makes you smile every time you pick it up. But this isn't just about looks. Despite its compact size, the AP30 comes with some surprisingly impressive specifications. It supports Bluetooth 5.3, USB-C charging, microSD cards up to 256 gigabytes, and high-resolution audio formats including DSD 256 and 24-bit/192 kHz PCM. It also offers both a standard 3.5mm headphone jack and a balanced 4.4mm output, giving users more flexibility depending on their headphones. One of the biggest surprises is its power. HIDIZS recommends pairing it with headphones up to around 100 ohms, but real-world testing shows it can even drive demanding headphones like the Sennheiser HD600 at comfortable listening levels. While it won't replace a powerful desktop amplifier, it's certainly more capable than its tiny size would suggest. The AP30 also comes loaded with useful features. You get high and low gain modes, several EQ presets, a customizable 5-band equalizer, multiple digital filters, Bluetooth playback, USB DAC mode, ebook support, and even a built-in Tetris-style game. The little game isn't necessary at all, but it perfectly matches the playful personality of this device and adds to its nostalgic charm. There are a couple of minor drawbacks, though. The USB DAC mode can be slightly confusing because you have to quickly select the correct option after connecting it to your phone or computer. If you miss the timing, you'll have to reconnect and try again. Also, once it's connected as a DAC, volume control shifts to the connected device instead of the player itself. It's not a major issue, but it's something worth knowing before you buy. Battery life is also respectable for such a compact player. You can expect around 10 to 12 hours of playback with wired headphones, or roughly 8 hours when using Bluetooth. Charging is quick too, taking about an hour to reach full battery. Now let's talk about what really matters: the sound quality. The AP30 delivers a clean, natural, and balanced sound without adding unnecessary warmth or exaggerated bass. Instead of changing the music, it simply lets you hear the recording as it was intended. Combined with its surprisingly strong output, the listening experience is enjoyable whether you're using in-ear monitors or full-sized headphones. So, is the HIDIZS AP30 Music Boy worth buying? If you're looking for the absolute most powerful digital audio player on the market, this probably isn't it. But if you want something that's compact, fun, unique, and still delivers excellent sound quality, the AP30 is a refreshing change from the usual designs. It proves that great audio gear doesn't have to be boring, and sometimes adding a little personality makes the experience even better. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what you think about the HIDIZS AP30 Music Boy. Would you buy one for its retro design, or do you prefer a more traditional music player? We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.